All right, welcome back. We are going to do our first problem. This is number one. Calculate the energy of a wrecking ball moving at 50 meters per second to the right. So you first have to realize that we have something moving. That's a key word right there. So if it's moving, that's kinetic energy. And so that means we will use this formula in the green box over there. So let's start substituting numbers. You might recognize 200 kilograms as a mass and 50 meters per second to the right as our velocity. So let's start substituting. So we'll have KE, and it's really hard to write with this thing, so excuse the penmanship. Kinetic energy equals mass, which was 200 times the velocity, which is meters per second, so I'm good to go there. We got to square that velocity, so I'm going to put it in parentheses and square it. And all that has to be divided by 2. So when you get out your calculator and square 50, it's 50 times itself, you get 2,500. So we have 200, I'm just carrying down that 200, times 2,500 because I just squared the 50. I'm going to multiply those together and divide them all by 2. And when I do that, more math on the calculator, 2,500 times 200 divided by 2 gives me 250,000 joules. So I'm going to write it over here. 250,000, so that's 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 joules. And that is our answer, 250,000 joules for number 1.